Hello and welcome to Glittershinenails. Through the month of October I'm doing a mani a day with the theme around Halloween. I've already completed the first 7 days and in this video I'm going to be showing you the manis that I created along with the products that I've used as well. I know that not everybody uses Instagram and that's where I've been placing them. There is information on each mani in the description box below. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and make sure you have the bell notification turned on. And please also like this video. These really do help out my channel. Thank you. So I created this list for each day, which I absolutely loved doing. But there's cats, bats, witches, mummies, ghosts, aliens, so many fabulous days. I've created these manis on myself, my silicone hand and also nail tips, so a bit of a variation. So for the first day the theme was candy corn. Now here in the UK we don't have such a thing, so I did struggle a little, but I've used the Kiki London base coat and no wipe top coat, and I've used their gel polish salmon run, which is like a peachy orange. A slightly unusual colour for Halloween, shall we say. Now for the stamping polishes I've used clear jelly stamper 040 past the pinot. That was for the main stamping, and then I used a white stamping polish and I filled in some of the candy corns with a very fine detailer brush. The stamping plates that I used were Uberchic Halloween 001 and Born Pretty Celebration BPX L007. I really enjoyed creating this. Something a little different with filling in the stamping, but I really like it and I like how unusual the colours are as well. For day 2 the theme was trick or treat, so again I have used gel polish for the design, which were the Kiki London base coat and no wipe top coat again, and the colour I used was purple. I love this colour. I've been using this colour and the new grey quite a bit. For the stamping polish I used CJS 002 white and white over that dark purpley blue colour. It looks fantastic. The images really do stand out so well. They're very bright and bold. For the stamping plates I used Lina Nail Art's spooklicous 02 and beautybigbang 02. I didn't know what I wanted to use image wise, but I felt these all sort of worked really well together. For me, I wanted to use the big trick or treat word for the middle along with a lot of sweets and an iconic Halloween design as well, which is on the thumb. For me, this is a classic Halloween mani which I love creating, and I'm so happy with how this turned out. I think it looks great. For day 3 the theme was ghosts, and with just having some new Halloween stamping plates arrive which had ghost images, I just had to use them. Again I've used gel polish for this mani using the Kiki London base coat and no wipe top coat along with a light purple called Lilac Longing. I wanted to try something different with the colour of stamping polish. I didn't want to do purple on purple, and I used clear jelly stamper 015 Stone Cold, which over the lilac colour looks brilliant. The stamping plates I used were the new Born Pretty plates Halloween L001, L003 and L005 along with Halloween R001. All of these plates for me make the perfect mani with a mix of large and small designs. I think the only nail I'm not keen on is the middle. I think I should have chosen something else, but I do really like this, especially the colour combo. For day 4 the theme was graveyard. This mani was created with nail polish this time, so I've used Essie Colour Correct as the base, and I then used Zoya Dree as the colour, which is a new colour, slightly unusual for me, but I absolutely love it. I also used the Born Pretty store No Smudge top coat. I use this over all of my nail polish manis that have stamping on them, and I also use the Barrier matte top coat, and I just use black for the stamping. The stamping plates I used were the new Halloween square plates from Born Pretty store, Halloween S001 and S002. These two plates had the perfect graveyard scene for me. When I added these all to my nails, I just thought it looked absolutely fantastic. I've personally never made a graveyard theme mani before, but I couldn't get over how well this turned out. I really didn't want to take it off. I loved it that much. For day 5, the theme was pumpkins. I created these on tips this time, so I used the Kiki London base coat, their matte no white top coat. Glossy really didn't suit this design. I also used their white, which is called Studio White, as the base colour. I wanted something plain, as I was using a lot of colours for the stamping. The stamping polishes I did use were 014 Peachy Keen Jelly Bean, 022 Clementine, 077 Lush Leaf, and 009 Ready for Anything, and these are all from Clear Jelly Stamper. The stamping plates that I used, one of them also from Clear Jelly Stamper, CJSH21 Witch's Brew, and then also Born Pretty Halloween L004. I used these because they had layering pumpkins, and this was something that I really wanted to do. In recent reviews on both of the plates, I used black as the faces, but I said I wanted to try red, and I think that I much prefer the red to the black. I do sort of feel the two single large pumpkins are sort of missing something. I did try putting small ones around them, it just didn't look right, but I still really do like the design though. For day 6, the theme was blood. And for this mani, I used my silicone hand. I used the Kiki London base coat and the matte no white top coat, along with the base colour of the new autumn colour Mrs. Grey, which I have to say makes the perfect Halloween base colour. For the stamping polish, I used 062 Vixen from Clear Jelly Stamper, which is a slightly brighter red than 009 Ready for Anything. The shade of red was just a personal choice at the end of the day. For the stamping, I only used one stamping plate, and this was Dixie Plates Halloween 2018. There was 3 images which I just felt would work so well as blood nails, and well, I think it looks brilliant. I was so happy about this mani. I didn't know, if I'm to be honest, if I had the right images for this mani. It sort of didn't click straight away, but I love the final result. For day 7, the theme was monsters. Again, I've used my silicone hand for this mani. I've used the Kiki London base coat and no wipe top coat, along with the gel polish Hollywood, which also makes a fab Halloween base colour. For the stamping, I again used 015 Stone Cold from Clear Jelly Stamper. This is a must-have colour for Halloween. It covers so many bits and pieces for Halloween, like ghosts, bats and monsters. For the stamping plate, I only have one plate with monsters on it, and this was Born Pretty BP126. So I just chose some monster faces for each nail. Now, I have to be honest, I'm very disappointed with this mani. For me, I just couldn't get the right feel for this one. The faces, for me, I think I'm missing something. Maybe I should have tried filling them in with colour. I don't know. Slightly disappointed. Never mind, I'll have a try again next year for monster designs. Think I need to buy some new ones with monsters on though. All of these manis are over on my Instagram page. There is a link in the description box below. If you do come over and see my posts and you like them, please give them a like as well. I think most of the products I have used for these manis are featured in videos here on my channel, so check out their playlists like Clear Jelly Stamper, Kiki London, Lina, Born Pretty, Dixie plates. Thank you for viewing my mani a day for the month of October video. I hope that you have enjoyed it. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Comment below. I love to hear from you. Hit that subscribe button and share. Also, don't forget to come over and follow me on my Instagram page at Glittershinenails. So until next time, happy stamping and bye.